Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials so you can immediately access the battery. First, cut power to the chime at the breaker or unplug the transformer to avoid sparks. Once that's safe, remove the front cover, use a Torx T5 or the correct screwdriver and a plastic pry to avoid scratching. You're doing this now because internal connectors can be fragile. Steady pressure and the microfiber cloth protect the finish. After the cover comes off, locate the battery tab and note wire routing before moving to replacement. Now remove the old battery by releasing the pull tab and disconnecting the 2-pin connector. Take a photo if you need a reference. Once disconnected, slide the battery out following the wire path so nothing gets pinched. Insert the new battery in the same orientation, plug the connector firmly, listen or feel for a click, and tuck wires neatly into their channel. Don't overforce the cover. Reattach it loosely to confirm alignment and that wires aren't trapped. Then prepare to restore power and test. Once the battery's in, restore power and watch the device LED and the Nest app for charging status. This confirms you reconnected everything correctly. Make sure the doorbell rings and pushes notifications through. If all is well, tighten screws to the recommended snugness so seals remain weatherproof. If the battery does not show charging, make sure the connector is fully seated. Inspect the wires for damage, and reboot the doorbell in the app. If problems persist, reseat the battery and check voltage at the transformer before seeking help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.